Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Amazon. Whether you've changed your mind about a purchase or accidentally ordered something you didn't need, canceling an order on Amazon is straightforward as long as you catch it before it ships. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account by entering your credentials. This will take you to your Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features and order history. After signing in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Returns and Orders option in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on it. This section is your central hub for managing everything related to your purchases, from tracking shipments to initiating returns and cancellations. Now, although I don't have any active orders at the moment, I'll walk you through exactly what you'll see next. Once you're in the Returns and Orders section, you'll see a list of your recent orders displayed on the screen. This makes it easy to find the specific purchase you want to cancel without having to scroll through your entire order history. Locate the order you wish to cancel under the Recent Orders section. Amazon typically displays your most recent purchases first, so finding what you're looking for should be quick and easy. Once you've found the right order, look for the Cancel Items button positioned next to that order. Click on it to proceed with the cancellation process. You'll now see a screen showing all the items included in that particular order. If your order contains multiple items and you only want to cancel some of them, you have that flexibility. Select the checkbox next to each item you want to cancel. This gives you control over exactly what gets removed from your order. Next, you'll need to choose a reason for the cancellation. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Select Cancellation Reason and click on it. Amazon provides several options here, such as ordered by mistake, found a better price, or changed your mind. Select the reason that best fits your situation. This information helps Amazon improve their service and understand customer behavior. Once you've selected your reason, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a button that says either Cancel Checked Items or Cancel Selected Items in this order. Click this button to submit your cancellation request. Finally, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen stating that your cancellation request was received. This is Amazon's way of letting you know that everything went through successfully. If the order hasn't shipped yet, the cancellation will process immediately and you won't be charged. If it's already in transit, you may need to wait for it to arrive and then initiate a return instead. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Amazon order. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.